Hi guys, this is Michael Alexander. Thanks for tuning in to another Quick Charts video. Today we're going to have 6 bearish analysts. We're going to go into the similarities and difference of their bearish count and the next major price move. So this video is very exciting. Before we get into the video, if you haven't already done so, we have a link that goes into our demo video. The demo video shows you how to navigate Quick Charts a little bit easier, so please follow that link to watch our demo video. Before we jump into Quick Charts, really quick, what is Quick Charts? Quick Charts brings you the top analysts and we group them all in one page, saving you lots and hours of research so you can see the next major price moves and you can see many analysts all together. So that's what Quick Charts is. Now let's jump into Quick Charts. The first analyst, Eric Choey, he came out April 7th. He is a LA wave technician, and based on using his Fibonacci extension tool, he sees us in 3 major landing points, which is 5992, 5729, and 5379. We are about 6,700 right now in today's Bitcoin at April 10th, 8:45 a.m. And our next analyst, Tony Vase, he uses candlesticks for his techniques and follows TD sequential. He sees us going to 6,000, then bouncing up from 6,000, then going down to 4,900 area. He believes that if we arrive at 4,900 too soon, that would be very bad for Bitcoin. We could see a much lower Bitcoin. But he believes that 4,900 could be the final destination for Bitcoin as long as we arrive there in the right way and in the right time. He stresses that in his videos. The next analyst, D Fork Energy. He's on TradingView, one of the top analysts on TradingView. He believes that we're heading down to a 4,888 price point. He uses a few. He's also Elliott Wave technician, but in his Elliott Wave chart, which is below, you can see that he uses the 100 EMA, apex of the wedge, and Fibonacci 786 all in confluence together, bringing us down to this 4,888 price. So he came out with his prediction April 9th, which is yesterday. Our next analyst, Real Crypto, believes that we are also similarly heading to a 4,800 price area, or to be more precise, 5,600 to 4,700 range. And then we're going to bounce up from that, and then we're going to head down to the final bottom, about 3,600 to 2,600 sometime in May. He says that this price point of 4,700, or the range here, again, this square signifies a range, is that it's going to be a false bottom. Many people will think it's the final bottom, but it's the false. Then we'll bounce up, then we'll go to the final bottom. Our next analyst, AP, believes that we are heading down to a 4,700 to 3,052 price range for our bottom. He's also an Elliott Wave technician, but he goes into his analysis a little bit differently. He always starts from the monthly chart, then the weekly chart, and then the daily chart. The monthly and the weekly are extremely bearish. He explains how the monthly we fell below the 8 EMA for the first time in 2 years, and in the weekly, just yesterday, we closed below the 50 moving average, or the candle closed below that 50 moving average, which is very bearish. So expect price to be going down because of that 1 week close below the 50 EMA. To get his range of 4,700 to 3,052, he used the extension tool, Fibonacci extension tool, and drew it out to that it could go down to about 3,052. And our final technician is going to be Financial Freedom. He is bearish. He also, similarly like AP, uses a method of starting from the monthly chart, then the weekly chart, then the daily chart. He sees the monthly and the weekly very bearish. He specifically talks about the weekly chart, that we cannot fight against the larger trend or the higher time frame. The weekly is very bearish, and we will eventually break a major supporting line, which is close to the 6,300 level. Please see his chart below in the candle charts. It's the actual analyst charts. And once we break that supporting line, we are going to see major bearishness. We're going to be going down. He didn't mention an intermediate point, although I believe there will be, but he did mention we would go eventually to the 2,500 to 3,000 zone, similar to AP and similar to Real Crypto. So those are our 6 analysts today. What I noticed from today's report is that the bottom 3 analysts have us going to that 3,000 price point. Those are 3 bear analysts that see us at the final bottom in around that price area. And similarly, they all did mention around a May time frame. Our top 3 analysts who are bearish see us going more into the 5,000 price point first. Eric can be a little higher. Tony's about a 6,000 and finishing it at the 5,000. Although, and then D Fork Energy has us finishing at 5,000 as well. So those 3 analysts have us going into the 5,000 price point. Again, what I noticed from our 6 analysts today is from Real Crypto, he's calling for this 5,000 as a false bottom. And what's interesting to note that our top 3 bearish analysts did call for about a 5,000 bottom price point. I'm not sure if Eric has his price point at the bottom here, but this is his temporary count. And that is today's analysis. It was a very interesting analysis, seeing the 6 analysts all on one page, all bearish. 3 have a call for 3,000 bottom, and 3 have more towards the 5,000 price point. Please comment. We'd love to know your opinion, what you think. Do you think 3,000 is the bottom? Do you think 4,800, 5,000 zone is the bottom? Or do you have a different opinion? So we'd love to know your comment, your feedback. Even if you're a bull, please send us your chart or whatever you have drawn up to know what your scenario would be. So thanks for tuning in to today's quick charts. It is April 10th, again around almost actually 9 a.m. now, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow on another quick charts video. Have a great day.